In this video, I will be modeling a Yutyrannus in Blender from scratch, and I will be showing off the entire process of how I did so through means of a time lapse. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I'm happy that you decided to click on this video. It's a little different than what you usually see. In today's video, I'm going to be modeling a Yutyrannus. Obviously, not an accurate one by any means. This one is very much based on the Jurassic World Alive variant of the Yutyrannus, and will have eventually some hints of the Jurassic Park Builder variant of the Yutyrannus. It's very nostalgia based for me, making this dinosaur. Now, I obviously didn't get a chance to texture it. If you saw the thumbnail, I didn't have enough time between making the final details, rigging it to actually unwrap it, and texturing it, unfortunately. It is heavily based off the Jurassic interpretation of the animal. Using a T-Rex base mesh, I decided to just change some things, slim out the head a little bit so that it looks somewhat different. No one likes a dinosaur just copied, so just copy pasted with a couple differences. But that's what I like about the Yutyrannus, is that it's different enough. What I'm trying to do here is to just get the silhouette as good as possible so that it looks somewhat the part of a Yutyrannus that you would see in a Jurassic movie. So after I did that, I went on to add all the details that I felt were necessary. For example, at this point I should probably mention that I did do the hands, the legs, the feet, and the arms off camera. I messed up a lot of times and I couldn't save that recording. Too much space. So yeah, the eye socket all said and done, the skull shape, the definition all done. This model is, I believe, just my third ever model, like 3D with a rig, with a texture. Right now, it is still needing a little bit of TLC. The model still requires the feathers, but for now, I'm just sticking to some of the simpler details. For example, the little head crest that the Yutyrannus is always depicted with, I decide to go in and add that for a moment. Alright, it's time to get into rigging. So now that the model is all done, I go in to just add the bone names or the bone collections. Then just add all the bones that I think I might need. And boom, it just starts working. Now obviously there will be some things that won't necessarily work, like the jaw is it's pulling on too much of the top head. So I just go in with the weight paint and I just reduced how much it's affecting, and yeah, it ends up working out quite nicely. The results, in all honesty, are not so bad. I do want to come back later and maybe add more details to the model in general. It's not a bad silhouette, but it could definitely be better. And if you have any suggestions on how I could make it better, any details that you think the Yutyrannus should have in general, let me know in the comments below. The fingers all work, the hands. At this point, I was pretty satisfied with the model itself, so I decided to just start posing it for a final shot. Pretty much all done with the model. Just have to take some time to texture it later. But yeah, so this is the final product of the Yutyrannus. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and what dinosaur I should do next.